Tired of waiting around for bank transfers? Need to add money to your Revolut account, and you need it now? We've all been there. The good news is, topping up your Revolut account is incredibly easy, and there are a few different ways to do it, all designed to get your money where it needs to be as quickly as possible. Let's dive into the most common and fastest method, adding money with a debit card or Apple/Google Pay. First, open your Revolut app. On the main home screen, you'll see a big Add Money button. Tap on that. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to add. Once you've entered the amount, you'll see your saved payment methods. If you've already used a card, it will be right there. You can also use Apple Pay or Google Pay for a one-tap top-up, which is super convenient and secure. If you're adding a new card, just tap Debit Card and follow the prompts to enter your card details securely. Once you confirm, the funds are usually in your account instantly. It's really that simple. Now, what if you prefer a traditional bank transfer? Revolut makes that easy too. From the home screen, tap on the Add Money button again. This time, instead of using a card, select the bank transfer option. The app will then show you your unique local bank account details for your Revolut account. You can copy these details and use them to initiate a transfer from your other bank account. The time it takes for the money to arrive will depend on your bank, but many domestic transfers are now instant. Lastly, there's a lesser-known but still useful method for some people, cash deposits. This option is available in certain countries and with specific retail partners. You'll need to generate a barcode in the app, take your physical Revolut card and cash to a participating retailer, and they'll handle the deposit for you. Just remember to check the app for available locations and any associated fees. So, whether you're topping up on the go with a card or making a larger transfer from your bank, Revolut gives you the flexibility and speed you need to manage your money with ease. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.